Hey everyone, today I'm coming at you with a quick product review. It's the Callender's cornbread muffin mix from the Dollar Tree, and it was $1. You get 11 ounces of product, which makes 12 muffins. It has no trans fat and it's restaurant style. On the back here, it tells you all the ingredients you're going to need. This isn't one of those mixes where all you need is water. You're going to need 1 large whole egg, 1 large egg white, 7 tablespoons of milk, and 6 tablespoons of oil. I did 3 tablespoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of butter because I just like adding butter to everything. If you can see this, it says that there is 170 calories per muffin when they're done after you've added everything in. Now, if you're going to add anything different like I did, like butter, it's probably going to change that. But at least if you make it the way that they say, that's what the calories are. I believe next time if I made these, I would end up adding sour cream instead of milk and maybe some cheese and some bacon. And here's why. These are very airy muffins. They are not dense at all. Normal cornbread that I've had has been somewhat dense and it's more savory. These are not savory, these are sweet. Now they're not as sweet as other cornbread muffins that I've had, but I do feel like these would almost be in the classification as corn cupcakes and not cornbread. So all in all, with all that being said, I would buy these muffins again, and I would recommend that you give them a try and maybe doctor them up in your own kind of way. I'm going to be serving these tonight with a taco soup that I make quite often, and if you're interested at all in me making a tutorial on how to make the taco soup, please leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, then click that button, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.